Hi, everybody. Many of you know that I'm always in search of new tools and tricks to help you build a hack habit mentality, really trying to help you maximize the points and miles that you earn. So, I wanted to walk you through a quick demonstration today of a tool I've used quite a bit to help make sure I'm using the right card at the right merchant. So, I'm on my main Instagram page. Going to go to my link tree. While that's loading, certainly I have some referral links on here and affiliate links to open credit cards. If you guys are in the market for new credit cards, some of you go through my links. I certainly always appreciate that. It does help support the time and investment I make in this, trying to help you guys out. So thank you for that. Down second from the bottom, you'll notice the Visa Merchant Code Search Tool. So I'm going to open that up. And what this is this isn't a way to do a couple quick searches to find literally any merchant in any specific area and see what they are coded as for Visa. Now, many of you may wonder about Amex. I haven't found a great one on Amex yet, but I do see that they almost always code the exact same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Yorktown, which is where I just was, and I am going to type in Mobjack, which is the name of the little bakery and coffee shop that Kelly and I loved going to and sitting at for a little bit. Now I have to go in and do my CAPTCHAs just to prove I'm not a robot. And what we're going to do is hit search on that, and it's going to fetch the results, and boom, first thing pop up, you're going to see Mobjack Bay Coffee Roasters, LLC. It's saying Hayes, Virginia. Obviously, their bill to may be somewhere separate, their technical address. But you'll notice here where it says Industry MCC Convenience Stores. That is a problem, right, guys? Literally, it's a little coffee shop. It's in a little old colonial style house. If I believe that I'm getting ready to use my Amex Gold because of 4x at dining, or even 4x at grocery, maybe, it's not going to code that way. It's going to code as convenience store. So I may choose to use a different card there to make sure that I maximize exactly what points I'm going to earn. Now, many of you have started using card pointers, which I think is a fabulous app to help you know in each category how to spend your money and what card to use. It's a great tool. I recommend go download it. It's free. I have no affiliation with them. I just plug them a lot because I think it's a great tool. The problem with card pointers, though, is you may think you're going into a coffee shop to use dining, and you'll listen to card pointers' recommendation for dining. The problem is, by searching this, I see it's a convenience store, and it's really not going to code that way. Let's try one other one to show you